This website is built for Indra Pradarshini College. You can see tabs here: Home, About Us, Contact Us, Courses Offered, Facilities, Programs. This is login. This is our login page. You have to enter valid user ID and valid user password. Then login. This is our super admin panel. You can control users here, create, update, change password, student. Going in the student section, student administrator. This is student registration, registration update, and admitted student. Fill subject result, fill marks subject, view subject marks, result, student list. Going in the student registration, you can register students from here by entering values. This is just for demo. You have to enter values in every field. Now you have to submit and print. This will generate a print receipt. Here we have applied a validator. This is print receipt for the student registration. Now you can print receipt. Now registration update. You can update students from here, their details like student year, student ID, student name, father's name. You can update, delete, and print from it. Now you can view admitted student list, select class and section, show. These students have been admitted in the college. Now fill subject result. You can also fill marks subject like subject BSc and select semester and session. You can see result here. You can save from it. This will save the details to the database. Now you can view subject marks and student result. Going to the home page. Now account section. You can control different accounts from here like student, employee, school expenses. Going in the student account, you can view student fees. You have to select student ID. You can see the details here. Select class. Like for BA, the total fees is this. If the student is paying the fee like 4,000, it will update the record and the due fees is this. Now you can submit. This will save to the database. These are the details of the particulars. You can also print receipt from here. Now going to the student fines. You have to enter valid student ID. These are the details of that student. Entering the date on which you are making the fines or doing the changes. These are some fines list. This is total fine. Now go to receipt. It will generate a receipt. You can print this. You can also view student fines from here. Course name. Select the class or course. These are the details for the particular course. Like for BA, the total fees is 5,700. You can also update from here. Like for BCom, there is no record, so you can make changes and submit those records. Now going in the employee account, employee registration. You can register employee details from here. There are some fields. Simply filling them and submitting them. You can update employee details. Like selecting the particular employee ID, you can see these details are existing in our database of that particular employee. You can update these details, delete these details. You can view employees from here. Like this list shows following employees working in the Indra Pradeshri College. You can view salary. This is employee salary agreement. Like for particular employee, you can see the details. Filling the details and submitting it. There is HRA, earnings, deductions, PF, total PF, etc. Submit. Employee salary. You can update from here. Like for particular month and particular year, you want to update following employee. Going in the employee salary paid list. This shows how many and whom we have paid the salary. You can select month. For December month, and for the year 2011, following employees have been paid. Now school expenses. You can view daily expenses from here. View expenses by the date. This is total expenses list for the month. Now you can view income from here. Daily income. This is total income for the month. Going to the home page again. This is our library section. You can issue book, issue record, new book, book record, book return, book renew, change password. Going to the book issue, you can issue books from here like date of issue, date of return, selecting the student ID, student class. The following details will appear automatically. You have to issue, like you are going to issue following book, you have to enter the book number, book name, edition, author name, and issue. This is issue record here. You have issued following books to this student. Now you have to issue new book here. This is book update and delete. You can update and delete books from here. They are records. Book return record. Like this is student ID, entering this student ID. This student is returning the following book. You can enter per day fine also, total pay fine, return, and fine receipt. These are the details of return and fine receipt. You can print receipt from here. Book renew. You can renew a book from here, entering the student ID. No book has been issued to this student, so no record will appear. Now creating a new admin. Subadmin student account library. These are the types. Enter the username, email, phone number, create. This will create new admin. These are the password, user ID and password details. Now you can update admin from here. Select admin type. The details will appear. You can control or update from here. This will update the following details to the admin. You can also change password